how to delete an email auto-reply in Hostinger. So, let's get started. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. Next, you will need to click the Manage button under the Domains section. On this page, click the Manage Email button under the Manage Your Email section. Next, on this page, click the Automatic Reply tab on the left side of the screen. Now, on the right side, you will find all the email auto-replies set up in Hostinger. Select the email auto-reply settings and click the three-dotted More option. From the drop-down list, click the Delete tab. In the pop-up, confirm deleting the email auto-reply. And done. I've successfully deleted the email auto-reply in Hostinger. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful. Thank you.